Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on XLM. XLM is pumping, all right, and it now seems like I made this video because it was pumping. I actually wanted to make this video earlier because I thought it would pump. So I'm a little bit late, but still, there's going to be value in this video. But to get right into it, and welcome to the channel, of course. We'll talk about XLM. We'll talk about what's going on right now, and we'll talk about what it can do. So let's get right into that. But ultimately, right now, what's going on, and I think that's quite interesting, is that you can see that the older coins, the Dino coins, and I've repeated this countless times now this morning already, are starting to perform quite well. All right. You could also say layer one blockchains, all right, because Aptos, AVAX, Near are also doing great, which you can also see right about here. But you can especially see that coins like Cardano, Polkadot, AVAX is quite old, but also something like Cosmos are actually outperforming Bitcoin right now and are starting to ramp up. And you can compare this chart right here with the other charts you can see right here. You can see that most of the other narratives are not performing this well. So the strongest performer today is XRP. So that's obviously pulling XLM together with it. Now, is there some sort of a reason behind this pump? There's not always a reason, all right? In bullish market circumstances like these, what you see is that there's rotations. So you get money. There's obviously money flowing into the markets, but you get money flowing from one asset to another, and from one category to another. And what you're seeing right now is that, first of all, well, Bitcoin is actually performing relatively well. Bitcoin is performing relatively well with a bearish Bitcoin dominance still. And the category that right now seems to be doing well is those older layer one blockchains and layer one blockchains in general. So what that caused for XLM, and I saw this already earlier this morning, and we talked about it in the premium group as well. So if you want insights like that, consider joining, but that's up to you. But then the price was still at like 46 cents. So the price has already rallied a lot more. You can see we broke the downtrend here. That's great. That's bullish confirmation number one. Bullish confirmation number two, and this is the same for XRP. We're actually gaining some new momentum right here, especially in the last hour. We gained some nice momentum. We had some shorts going out as well. That was very good. This first pump we had was actually a lot of shorts closing. I need to refresh real quick. But shorts closing can be a start of a rally, not always. But now what we have is that shorts were closed after breaking a bearish structure, and after that longs were opened. So this is the ideal, I think, setup to go higher. The main resistance level we have right now is between 50 and 52 cents. So the big question is, well, you can see that there's some POCs there. Important level in terms of volume, but it's also 50 cents. Psychological resistance level, 52 cents. Strong technical level, as you can see here as well. So the main question is as well, obviously there's reasons to be bullish, which I just listed out. But can we now actually break out? Volume is actually down a bit here. So that's maybe not great. It's up in the last hour as well. So the big question is will we break out here? I would like to say, with my expectation from what Bitcoin will do and what I'm seeing from the markets right now, I'll say yes. All right. I think it's to be expected that we get a pullback, potentially into 48, 47 cents when the US market opens. But ultimately, I do think we will break out here and at least get up to this level at 56, 57 cents again, and potentially go for new highs, which my real price target would probably be 65. No, we hit 75 cents would be the next target. So that's possible, but for that the volume would need to raise much more, right? So right now everything is looking good for a pullback and continuation. That's what I think is most likely. But if we want to get to 75 cents here, which is a 50% gain, the volume would need to at least be like $12 billion, right? So we still have a long way to go for that. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.